Welcome to this video series, Study Like a Scientist. Let's learn how to use research-based strategies to build long-term memory and recall knowledge efficiently and effectively. In this video, we will learn about connecting. Connecting links factual ideas, it links skills, and it links response types, like explaining or evaluating. It allows you to develop memory networks in your brain so that you can add new experiences to your current understanding. Step 1. Choose 3 to 6 items. And step 2. Write 3 sentences to link these things together. It's as simple as that. Different types of connecting. You could do a compare and contrast. So X is similar to or different from Y because, or X is more or less than Y because. You could do a cause and effect connection. X happens because of Y, or X and Y together cause Z. Or a change in X results in a particular change in Y. You could always connect by supporting or disproving. So X supports or disproves the idea of Y because. So now you know how to use connecting to study like a scientist. Why don't you try out self-quizzing to see how much knowledge you can remember?